Children, we are learning The Merchant of Venice, Act 3. In the previous class, we learnt Act 3, Scene 4. Today, let us understand Act 3, Scene 5. In this scene, on the stage, Lancelot and Jessica are there. Where it took place? It took place in Belmont, in Portia's house, in the garden. They are there, and I hope you all remember Lancelot. He is the servant of Bassanio, but he was the servant of Shylock. So Jessica knows him very well. He was there in Shylock's house as a servant. And in this play, Shakespeare introduced him as the clown of this play. We know Shakespeare uses the clown to reduce the seriousness of the play. Here also he does. So in the next play, next scene and the next act of this play will take place in the court, Venice court, and that will be little serious part of this play. So before that, there is little relaxation. So what is happening in this scene? Let us understand the conversation between Lancelot and Jessica. So Lancelot begins his conversation. He speaks, "Yes, truly, for look, you, the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. Therefore, I promise you, I fear you. I was always plain with you, and so now I speak my agitation of the matter." Here, Lancelot says that, yes, really, listen to this. Yes, it is true. And look, you listen to me. This he is giving a statement here. Listen to this. What he wants Jessica to listen. The sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. And here he uses the quoting from the Bible, and according to the 10 commandments which is there in the Bible, it says that the sins of the father will fall upon the children. It will come upon the children. So the consequences of worshipping, what sin Jessica's father did, according to Lorenzo, being a Christian, he believes that worshipping other God than Jesus Christ is sin. So he says that your father does not follow Christ and he is not a Christian. So he is a sinner. Therefore, I promise you that you feel, I fear you. I was always plain with you. See, he says that I fear, therefore I fear you. I worried about you. And I was always frank with you. So now I speak my agitation. So here he is behaving like a clown, and he is playing with words, pun with words, and also malapropism we say. He is using a wrong word, malapropism. So instead of using the right word, he is misusing the words. He wants to say something and he is using another word. What word he uses? Agitation. But he wants to use the word cogitation. Cogitation in the place of in the place of cogitation he is using agitation. So agitation has the entirely different meaning. Agitation means violence, but cogitation, his thought, he wants to say the thought. So here his playing with words and also misusing of the words, wrong usage of words. So he says that I want to say something, I want to say my thought before you. What is the thought? And this his thought is, your father is a sinner, and this consequence of your father's sin will be upon you. Therefore, be of good cheer, for truly I think you are damned. Damned means you are condemned to hell. You are fit to be there in hell. There is no place for you in heaven. So he says that I am very much worried about you. I am thinking of you, and you are not going to get any place in heaven. There is but one hope, and he is giving a suggestion also. There is but one hope in that can do you any good, and that is but a kind of bastard hope neither. That means he is using the word bastard again, playing with words, double meaning. Bastard means illegitimate issue, or bearing children in a illegal way. Another way, it is false. So he says that there is one hope, and neither that this or that is no chance. What he says, one thing, your father should be a bastard. Bastard means your mother should not have that means conceive you because of your father. That means Shylock should not be your father. Then there is a hope for that. That also. And Jessica, and what hope is that, I pray thee? So Jessica is asking, and what hope is that, I ask you? Tell me that hope, another what it is. Lancelot, Mary. Mary means he is taking the name of the God. You may partly hope that your father got you not, that you are not the Jew's daughter. That's what he said. That were a kind of bastard hope indeed. So the sins of my mother. So Jessica says that if my father, Shylock is not my father, means that my mother must have sinned. She must have gone with other man, so she must have conceived me, means that is again a bastard. My mother must be in the illegal life. So again I'll be punished because of my mother's sins. So the sins of my mother should be visited upon me. I'll be punished because of my mother's sins. And Lancelot says, truly then I fear you are damned both by father and mother. So he wants to say that you are not a Christian, your father is not a Christian, and your mother is not a Christian. You are fit to be there in hell. So damned, that both by your father and by your mother you will be damned. Thus when I shun Shaira, your father, I fall into chariots your mother. Well, you are gone both ways. That means he is telling that truly then I fear you, damned by both. Thus when I avoid one thing, and he is giving one reference over here, and he says that in both the way where monsters, saving from both the name which he has mentioned here is monsters. Saving yourself from one monster to other monster, but both the way you are caught. Well, you are gone both ways. So both the way you are in danger. You are fit to be there in hell. So Jessica, I shall be saved by my husband. He hath made me a Christian. So Jessica says that then my husband is a Christian, so I am saved now. Now I belong to my husband. So according to my belonging now at present, I am a Christian, so I am saved. So Lancelot says, truly the more to blame he. Now Lancelot says that your husband will be, Lorenza will be blamed more. So first he said that your father is blamed, your mother is blamed. Now he says that your husband is blamed for what? We were Christians enough before, even as many as could well live one by another. See, now when if you become a Christian and you call yourself as Christian, then we are in danger because we were enough number. We Christians are in enough number. There is no need of adding you as a Christian. If your husband is adding you as a Christian, then he is to be blamed. We were living peacefully with one another. Now, adding of such Christians will bring problem in our Christian community. This making of Christians will raise the price of hogs. What is the problem the Christians will face according to Lancelot? He says that we will find it difficult to get pork in the cheaper rate because increasing of Christians. If we grow all to be pork eaters, we shall not shortly have a ration on the coals for money. That means even we have money, we will not get. We will be in shortage of pork. So here Lancelot is just joking, and also he is talking with Jessica and having fun in talking and relaxing the sea. Here, that time who enters there? Lorenzo. Enter Lorenzo. I'll tell my husband. Seeing her husband, Jessica started pointing that I'll tell my husband you are troubling me. Lancelot, what you say? Here he comes. What all you said that I'm damned, I'm fit to be there in hell, and my husband is reason for raising of the pork meat, all these things you told me, no? So I will tell all the thing to my husband. So Lorenzo comes over there. I shall grow jealous of you shortly, Lancelot, if you thus get my wife into corners. Why? Lancelot, he started shouting at Lancelot. What I am hearing, what I am seeing. Lancelot, I am getting jealous of you, so, and you don't talk with my wife secretly like this. Jessica, so, nay, no, my husband, you need not fear us. So, you no need to fear Lorenzo. Lancelot and I are out. We were out means we were just having quarrel. We are quarreling with each other. We are not having a love talk like that. He tells me flatly, and she started telling what all he said. There is no mercy for me in heaven because I am a Jew's daughter. So what all Lancelot said before, that she is repeating, and she says that Lancelot is saying that I will not get any place in heaven because my father is a Jew. And he says you are no good, and also he says that you are also no good member of the Commonwealth. That means Christian community. You are not a good member of the Christian community. For in converting, why you are not a good member of the Christian community according to Lancelot? Because you are converting the other religious people, that means Jews, to Christians. You raise the price of pork. And Lorenzo to Lancelot, he is talking to Lancelot, not even answering to Jessica. I shall answer that better to the Commonwealth. So he is telling Lancelot that I know how to deal this matter. I will answer to my Christian community. You no need to bother it. You can the getting up of the Negro's belly. The Moor is with child by you, Lancelot. So he is scolding at him, and Negro's belly, that Moor is he is just mocking at him, and then Lancelot, it is much that the Moor should be more than reason, but if she be less than an honest woman, she is indeed more than I took her for. So he is just answering back that because Lorenzo is mocking at him, telling some bad words, so he is answering to him. And then Lorenzo, how every fool can play upon the word. So Lorenzo is fed up of his talking, because he is using the word what he has set on him. So repeating that word and in a different meaning. So how every fool can play upon the word. So what? See, he is telling that every clown, how they are playing with the word. If we say one word, they take it in other meaning. I think the best grace of wit will shortly turn into silence. Instead of talking to them and using word after word, it's better not to talk with the clowns. If we keep quiet, and that will be okay. And discourse grow commendable in more only, but parrots. Go in, Sirrah, bid them prepare for dinner. So he is commanding Lancelot that go, you fellow, and bid them to prepare for dinner. Tell the people to prepare dinner for us. And Lancelot, that is done, sir. They have all stomachs. So what he says, again he is playing with the words and taking double meaning of that word. That is done, sir. They all have stomachs. Stomachs means appetite. They are in hunger. They are ready to eat. And Lorenzo, goodly Lord, what a wit snapper are you. Then bid them prepare dinner. So he is changing the word, and he is telling, tell them to prepare food for them, food for us. And Lancelot, that is done, sir. And only cover is the word. So he is using again that what he says that, sir, that also prepared, also done, and we have to serve the food. Cover is serving the food on the table. Lorenzo, will you cover then, sir? That means here cover is the word he is using the other meaning. Lancelot, not so, sir, neither. I know my duty. That means I know what being a servant, they cannot cover their head. So I know I should not cover my head. So they are playing with the words cover. He wants to spread the food on the table, serve the food on the table, but here he is using covering the head. Lorenzo, yet more quarreling with occasion. Wilt thou show the whole wealth of thy wit in an instant? So you use this wit for other occasion also, just this moment, it is more than enough. Go. I pray thee, understand a plain man in his plain meaning. So you don't take the double meaning of every word, just understand the plain meaning, direct meaning for what I am saying. Go to thy fellows, bid them cover the table, serve in the meat, and we will come into dinner. So clearly he says that, tell your fellows, other servants who prepare the food, and ask them to prepare food and serve the food for dinner. And Lancelot, for the table, sir, it shall be served in. For the meat, sir, it shall be covered. For your coming into dinner, sir, why let it be as humorous and conceit shall govern. So he is saying, it shall be served, sir. Directly he is answering, yes, sir, it shall be served in. For the meat, sir, it shall be covered. For your coming into this dinner, sir. So every meat will be served, and we are serving it for your dinner. Please come. So why let it be just as you please and fancy. What all you wish, that way we will do it. And exit. He is leaving this. He is moving from the stage. He is going, but other people are staying. So when the people are having conversation, and one among them is leaving, is exit. There are two words are used in every scene, exit and exeunt. Exeunt is the whole group of people will leave the stage. Here only Lancelot leave the stage. He moves from the scene, and others are there. Others, Lorenzo and Jessica, will continue their talk. Today we will stop here. In the next class we will see what Jessica and Lorenzo talk.